Back. So today I'm gonna be doing my fidget, showing you all my fidgets. Let's get started. First, I'll be showing you my squishies. So I got this light bulb squishy. It's called a Squish Delish. It's super awesome. I also got this Squish Delish. It's so cool. Got an ice cream and a cat. I got a big squish ball. I love this. I got a mashup, a puppet, a rainbow one, a rainbow square puppet. I also have a unicorn puppet for my birthday. I got a shaggy needle that's very sticky and a gumball needle, and all of these, what are they called? I don't know what they're called, but I'm gonna do something else later. Bye.